Hey ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alan with the Contractor License School, and I want to share a video with you on how to get a concrete license in 2023, also known as your C8 license. I want to show you 8 simple steps. Now, the first one is, hey, if you're determined, make it happen. Take the action. That's what every successful entrepreneur does. They take the action to reach the dream, to reach their potential. We'll help you with that. Number 2, schooling. Well, there's a lot of good schools out there, but I just love our school. I think it's one of the best. We have 3 options for you. We have in class with a live teacher teaching you in real time, walking you through the process, guiding you, leading you, directing you, helping ask your questions, and that's going to help you out a lot. The second one is our live stream program. So what that is our schools are broadcast live to your device. You're part of a classroom. You can talk to the teacher. You can hang out after class, ask questions in real time through our Zoom program. And number 3, finally, is our homeschool program for that person who says, just give me my books, let me go to town, I got this, give me my videos. The most important part in any one of these 3 scenarios, pass our tests, and we're guaranteeing that you're going to pass the state exams the first try, or we pay for the next exam. That leads me to state application. In order to take those state exams, you have to fill out the 30+ pages of the state application, but no worries, because when you're a part of our program, hey, we could do this blindfolded almost. We just need the right information. We're gonna help you fill it out. We're gonna make sure the I's and T's are dotted or crossed. We're gonna get it sent off with you, and we're gonna make sure that that thing is done just right. Number 4, once they process that application in about a month and a half, they're gonna set you up with an email. They're gonna send it to you. You click on it, you schedule your state exams. Those cannot be done online. Those are done at a state testing facility nearest your home. And then once you're there, you're going to have to take 2 exams, the law and business and the trade. Each one is 3.5 hours, so 7 hours of testing. You could schedule them both for one day and get it done with, or you could separate them into 2 separate days, and that way you can get a little bit of rest and prepared for the next one, however you want to do that. The most important part, you don't want to take those state exams till you pass our exams. 5 is you get your live scanned and bond. Now you can get that anytime after your application has been sent in. Basically you go down to a UPS store to get your live scan, or a sheriff's office, unless you got a warrant, we might not see it for a year, and a bond, which is an insurance program. Go up to our website, under services, scroll down, hit insurance, get your bond, about $100 for the year. Super easy, super quick, super simple. That leads me to number 6. You're going to need to complete the completion packet. Now, these things, you can wait and do it under number 6. You can do it a little bit earlier, but there's a variety of other information that you're going to need to complete there. And where do you get that packet? After you pass the state exam. Don't run out of the state testing facility to call that loved one and go, I passed, I passed. Get the packet from the state testing facility clerk, and then move on and go celebrate, right? Now, so you get that packet, bring it to us. We'll help you fill out the forms for the non-disclosure agreement for work comp, for general liability, all those other things that you're going to need to complete. We're going to pop a check in there for $200, and then you're going to send that off, and in about a month and a half, you'll get your license in the mail. Now, you do have to meet some basic requirements. The first is you have to be over 18. The second is you have to have 4 years of experience. And the third is you have to have a valid social security number, or I-10. If you don't have that third one, go to irs.gov, fill out the 1.5-page form, and they'll issue you an I-10 number. Then you can become a contractor. Maybe you're here and you're thinking, hey, well, I don't know, that 4 years of experience, what do I do with that? Well, if you have schooling, because you don't meet the 4-year requirement, schooling will remove a couple of years if you have a bachelor's or a master's. If you don't have that, then you can jump into our RMO program, which is we will help connect you with a contractor who will let you use their license, and they'll be a part of your corporation. By the way, we set up corporations. Go to our website under services and incorporate. Everybody that gets a contractor's license should get a corporation. We'll guide you through which one's the correct one for your business. Okay, so make sure you check out our video below on that. Now, once you get connected with that, we get you set up, you could still go to town and you can make your dream come true, make it happen, get that contractor's license, and move forward. And number 8 is my favorite one, and that is here. Live free and thrive. Look, our passion is your success. We don't want you to go through our school and then boom, you're done and that's it. we want to hopefully be a resource into your life towards the future to help guide you into whatever you determine as success for you. A multi-million-dollar business or a business that's just running a couple $100,000 a year. We want to guide you to the level of success that you have determined for yourself. And we want to help you with the web design, internet marketing, all that kind of stuff, from financial foundational setup like bookkeeping and taxes, to the entity setup to save taxes and protect your personal assets, to the legality of making sure your license is correct and always well established. That's what we do. We want to be that one-stop shop so you can come to us. We want to be that resource that guides you into the success that you've determined for your future. So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alan, Contractor License School, and this has been a video on how to get your concrete license for 2023, also known as your C8 license. Hey, we'll see you soon in our program. Talk to you later.